finding an affordable yet reliable cooking solution is easier than ever. In this guide, we explore the best electric stoves under $300, offering efficiency, style, and performance. Discover budget-friendly models designed to elevate your kitchen without compromising on quality. Starting off our list is the Karinear electric stove, a portable and versatile option designed to deliver efficient cooking without the need for complicated installation. This 2-burner cooktop features a sleek 24-inch design with ergonomic handles on both sides, making it convenient to carry and perfect for kitchens, recreational vehicles, or even outdoor setups. Its stainless steel body and modern black glass surface not only give it a stylish look, but also ensure durability and stability with non-slip feet. With a total power output of 2,000 watts, this stove provides fast and reliable heating, while each burner can reach up to 1,600 watts, allowing you to prepare multiple dishes with ease. Safety is at the forefront with its child safety lock, residual heat indicator, and automatic shutoff system, giving you peace of mind during every use. The timer function of up to 240 minutes means you can set your cooking time and let the stove handle the rest, making it extremely user-friendly. Control is simple and precise with a combination of sensor touch panels and rotary knobs, giving you the flexibility to adjust temperatures between 400 degrees Fahrenheit and 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit. Unlike traditional induction cooktops, this radiant electric stove works with a wide range of cookware, including glass, ceramic, iron, and stainless steel. And it does not emit electromagnetic radiation, making it a safer alternative for your home. Finally, the scratch-resistant glass surface makes cleaning quick and effortless, so your stove always looks as good as new. Overall, the Karinear electric stove stands out as a smart, safe, and stylish choice under $300. Taking the second spot is the Jessier electric stove, a powerful 5-burner cooktop that combines modern functionality with thoughtful design. Built with a durable tempered glass surface and enhanced with a protective metal frame around the edges, this stove is designed to withstand daily use without the worry of accidental damage from heavy cookware. The added frame not only ensures long-term durability, but also gives the cooktop a more refined and stylish appearance, making it a standout addition to any kitchen. With a total power output of 8,400 watts, the Jessier stove offers impressive performance across its 5 radiant burners, including expandable burners for larger pots and even a middle burner designed to accommodate rectangular baking trays. Its 9 adjustable heating levels give you the flexibility to simmer, boil, steam, stir-fry, or stew with precision. Convenience and safety are key highlights of this stove, as it features advanced touch controls instead of traditional knobs, making operation seamless and modern. Additional functions such as a 99-minute timer, automatic shutoff, child safety lock, pause option, residual heat indicator, and overheating protection ensure that you can cook with confidence and peace of mind. Unlike induction stoves, the Jessier electric stove works with all types of cookware, from stainless steel and copper to ceramic and glass, making it more versatile for everyday cooking. This built-in cooktop requires a 220 to 240 volt connection and professional installation, so it is important to check the cutout dimensions before purchase. Free from electromagnetic radiation and easy to maintain, the Jessier electric stove delivers both high performance and safety, making it one of the best electric stoves under $300. Next on our list is the Zarbaco electric stove, a 4-burner cooktop designed to deliver both power and elegance for everyday cooking. With a total output of 6,700 watts and 11 adjustable power levels, this 30-inch electric stove is built to handle everything from delicate simmering to high-heat searing. Each burner is thoughtfully designed with different wattages, including a dual-ring burner offering up to 2,500 watts, making it suitable for larger pots and more demanding cooking tasks. This versatility makes the Zarbaco stove perfect for family gatherings, festive meals, or day-to-day use. Safety is a priority, and this stove features residual heat indicators to alert you when the surface is still hot, reducing the risk of accidental burns. Its knob controls are intuitive and especially convenient for elderly users who prefer traditional operation over touch panels. Free from electromagnetic radiation, the stove is also safe for all members of the family, including pregnant women. The Zarbaco cooktop brings style into the kitchen with its sleek black ceramic glass surface that creates a modern mirror-like finish. It is a built-in model requiring a cutout of approximately 29.13 by 19.3 inches, helping to save counter space and give your kitchen a clean, streamlined look. One of its strongest advantages is cookware compatibility, as it works with almost every type of pot, whether it's iron, glass, stainless steel, copper, ceramic, or aluminum. From stir-frying and boiling to braising, steaming, and even barbecuing, this stove gives you the flexibility to experiment with different cooking methods. Additionally, unlike gas stoves that generate high heat and discomfort, the radiant heating of the Zarbaco stove ensures a cooler and more comfortable cooking environment. For those seeking a stylish, safe, and high-performance electric stove under $300, the Zarbaco electric stove is an excellent choice.
At number 4, the Karienvir electric stove is a stylish and high-performance 24-inch cooktop designed to combine elegance, safety, and powerful cooking capability. Its unique brushed grain pattern breaks the monotony of traditional black cooktops, offering a textured, fashionable look that complements a wide variety of kitchen decors. With a total power output of 6,000 watts, this 4-burner stove is divided into 2 smaller burners at 1,200 watts and 2 larger burners at 1,800 watts, providing versatility for all cooking tasks. The radiant burners are compatible with most cookware, including iron pots, stainless steel pans, and other kitchen utensils. Control is intuitive with cleverly designed non-slip knobs that correspond to a visual power display, allowing you to monitor heat intensity in real time. Safety is a key feature, with residual heat indicators that display H to warn of high surface temperatures, keeping accidental burns at bay. The Karienvir stove also includes triple intelligent protection. A one-touch safety lock prevents accidental activation, a 99-minute timer ensures precise cooking, and a one-click pause function allows you to temporarily halt cooking for convenience. Rounding out our list is the Traenvir electric stove, a compact and versatile 2-burner cooktop designed for both convenience and reliable performance. This 24-inch stove features a 110-volt plug, allowing it to connect easily to standard American electrical outlets, making installation simple and safe. Its dual radiant burners provide 8 adjustable heat levels, giving you precise control over every cooking task, from slow simmering to high-temperature stir-frying. Whether you are preparing stews, steaks, noodles, or other favorite dishes, the Traenvir stove ensures each meal reaches its optimal taste. Safety has been a core focus in its design, with automatic shutoff functionality that activates if the temperature becomes too high, along with a residual heat indicator to alert users when the surface remains hot after cooking. These features make it an excellent choice for households with children or elderly family members. The stove can be installed either as a built-in recessed cooktop or used on the countertop with a stand, offering flexibility to fit different kitchen setups. Its sleek black glass ceramic surface not only looks premium, but is also easy to clean, adding to the user-friendly design.